Hey guys, I am Aditya Vasudev. I'm currently a second year medical student at the prestigious Maulana Azad Medical College, and I got rank 23 in NEET 2018 with a score of 180 out of 180 in physics. So today I'll be discussing my preparation of physics with my mentor Tamanna sir. Tamanna sir has a very conceptual methodology of teaching. He takes every concept from the very basic level to the toughest level. He also gave us magic formulas to solve questions. Without those formulas, the questions would have taken a lot of time to solve. But using those formulas, I could solve the questions in no time. He also told me how to manipulate a formula and apply it in different situations or different questions. So it reduced the burden of formulas that I have to remember or maybe mug up for the exam. His lectures are so interesting and easy to understand that I was always curious for his next lecture. He keeps quite interesting diagrams in his lectures, which help us to understand the concept in great detail and also keeps us engaged. He also gives us questions to practice in class after every major topic, and that helps us to get into the core of that topic and how it would be asked in our exams. He also keeps regular tests so that we could assess our own weaknesses and track our performance and strengthen the areas in which we are weak. I had many doubts in physics, and he patiently solved all of my doubts, so that I was left with no doubt in the exam and ended up scoring 180 out of 180. He has an integrated approach to solve questions, and it also helps to solve multi-concept questions and which many of my peers or fellows didn't know how to solve. I remember when in 11th he taught us thermal resistances and gave questions of thermal resistances. I was very worried that as of how these questions could be solved in a minute, since NEET exam gives you a minute to solve those questions. But he told me not to worry and wait till the 12th. And when in 12th, when he told and taught us electrical resistances, he integrated those two topics and told us how to apply the electrical resistance formula into the thermal resistance question so that the thermal resistance question could be solved in no time. He also keeps a step-by-step approach, and that helps to solve questions from very difficult, I would say, chapters, very complicated questions from difficult chapters like rotation, thermodynamics, AC current, DC current, electrostats. He guided me how to solve questions in no time, in the least time possible. And he also guided me on which all topics I should read NCRT and on which all topics I should have a more conceptual view on and which topics I should practice more. I should have a more of a numerical view in exam. I owe my success to Sir. Without Sir, it wouldn't have been possible for me to achieve this high score in NEET 2018 and rank 23 in NEET 2018. Thank you so much, sir, and I advise NEET aspirants to follow his guidance and his methodology of teaching.